So why is social media marketing so profitable? Well, it really comes down to the large amount of people you can reach through social media. For example, YouTube has about 1 billion views per day. Facebook has over 400 million users. MySpace has about 200 million users. Twitter has 100 million users. And the great thing about social media is that it really allows you to interact and build relationships with potential customers and clients before trying to sell to them. Because in the end, people would rather buy from other people they already know and trust and have an existing relationship with, not so much from big faceless companies. Businesses and companies are spending more and more money on social media as they're realizing its potential and potential to make money and brand themselves. And the other great thing about social media is that it's very fast. It's fast and viral, and it allows you to reach a large amount of people in a very short amount of time. So what are the desired results from this course? The goal is to brand yourself and your business and your products through social media platforms and build a large fan base of potential clients, and also build a large high quality list of contacts, and ultimately drive large amounts of traffic to your website or blog. Potential pitfalls. Why do most people fail? Number one is hard selling. People don't like to be hard sold to in social media. You need to build a relationship up with the customer before trying to sell to them. And also, second one, trying to sell too soon. It's another mistake. Try to offer lots of value and content and try to get to know people, build up a reputation, a brand and a relationship before selling. Spamming. A lot of people make this mistake. They think social media is a place where they can just send out their links, sending out their affiliate links, trying to get as much exposure as possible. But often this doesn't work with social media. A lot of people don't respond well to this, and also it can get you banned from a lot of the social media sites. And using automated software. This can be good in some cases, keeping things organized, maybe like auto tweeting where you like load up your tweets first or something. But ultimately in social media you want to be involved, be active, have a personal touch to it. So often that's not a great thing to do. Alright, so let's look at what's covered in this training course. First we're going to look at Facebook, and then we're going to look at Twitter, YouTube, MySpace, StumbleUpon, Dig, and lastly we're going to go through an action plan where I lay out all the steps that you can take to get started with social media marketing.